Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series, our today's question is: if a welder was qualified in the SMAW process on January 1st, 2023 and last performed welding with SMAW on 30th March of 2023, will he still be qualified on October 15, 2024? So this is as per ASME section 9. This question is as per ASME section 9. See, the question is saying that the welder was qualified in January 2023 and last time he performed the welding was 30th March 30, 2023. Now, today is October 15, 2024, and will he be still qualified to do the welding or not? So I'll give you 30-second time to write the answer in the comment box. Four options are there. Option 1 is yes, option 2 is no, option 3 is yes but with close monitoring, and option 4 is yes but only for non-critical jobs first. So 30-second time is there. Please write the answer in the comment box. So okay, I hope you have written the answer in the comment box. Now coming to the right answer. See, the right answer is no. Why? Because as per ASME section 9 QW 322.1, welder qualification is only valid for 6 months. 6 months from the day he performed the last welding, not on the day on which he has given the test. It is the day on which he has last performed the job. So 6 months from that day, after 6 months he will not be able to qualify. He will be disqualified automatically. So coming back to the question, the last day when he was performed welding was 30th March 2023. So from March, April, May, June, July, August, and September. September till September 30, 2023, he will remain qualified, and after 30th September 2023, he will be automatically disqualified. So on October 15th, he will not be able to perform the welding. This is the correct answer. So friends, if you have still not joined my channel, I would request you to please join. Joining is very simple and very easy. So after subscribing my channel, you can join my channel also, and a very small amount is charged, so anybody can afford. And so it's all of now. Thank you very much. I would request you to please give your feedbacks and suggestions to improve the video and to improve the quality of the video. Thank you very much.